Time is valuable. That's why you should count on every appointment on your calendar. And having the flexibility to confirm or reject any appointments can help you filter your appointments right after receiving them. FluentBooking now gives you the power to do that with its confirmation required feature. Now you can accept only the most valuable meetings or easily reject unnecessary ones to stay productive. And the whole setup process is incredibly smooth. You can create a new one or simply pick any calendar you are using for taking appointments. Press on Edit, and if you select Advanced Settings, you will reach the required confirmation option. Turn it on, and you'll have two options to choose. If you want each appointment to go through your approval, stay with Always. The other option can be handy for emergencies, as you can set as a notice time for your appointment using this. After setting the preferences, make sure you have saved them. Alright, let's share it with clients now. And as you can see, the required confirmation button is visible in the calendar. Whenever someone books an appointment with you, instead of the booking confirmation message, they will see a booking submitted message and will be requested to wait for the host confirmation. On the other hand, if you open your bookings, you can easily spot it in the pending option. Depending on your decision, attendees will receive an email stating whether their booking is approved or declined. And it's very fluently functional. This feature can be a lifesaver for anyone in service-based industries, healthcare, or personal services. By filtering out unnecessary appointments, you reduce no-shows and manage your appointments more effectively. No matter which business you are in, try FluentBooking and see how efficient your appointment management can be with its user-centric features. Grab it now.